welcome to my YouTube channel Crypto Billionaire. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can earn free BNB coin in your Trustwallet account without any investment. And when I say no investment, I mean there's not going to be any investment coming from your own side. So guys, if you are watching this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell so whenever we update or upload new content like this, you're going to be updated on that. So guys, the name of the site which I'm going to be showing you today is called BNBs.pro. As you can see here, all you need to do is to input the BNBs.pro in your browser, maybe your Chrome browser or any browser in which you are using. As you can see, as the name implies here, BNBs.pro. So guys, I'm also going to be leaving the link in the description box below. So when you click on the link in the description box below, it's going to be taking you directly to this site over here. And when you are here, all you need to do to get started is to click on the three lines in the top right corner of your screen. And when you click on the three lines, you are going to be clicking on this. You are going to be saying sign in and sign up over here. So all you need to do is to click on the sign up button, which is over here. And when you click on the sign up button, over here now it's going to be telling you to input your login, which is you are going to be inputting your username, then your email address, your password, confirm your password, then complete this captcha over here which says I'm not a robot. Then you click on the sign up button to get started. So guys, when you finish registering your account, then you log in to your account. That is, you sign into your account by clicking on the sign in button. So guys, when you want to sign in, all you need to do is to input your username, your password, then complete this captcha over here. Now when you've completed the captcha, all you need to do is to click on the login button and you're going to be fully logged into your account. As you can see over here, you can mine so many coins. You can mine Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance coin, which I'm going to be showing you today. As you can see over here, this is the amount of coins I've mined in a couple of minutes. So this is what I have mined, and you also can mine and get your money. So guys, apart from BNB, there are other coins, XRP, Solana, Cardano. You can mine so many coins on this site. The site is a wonderful platform. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you on how you can mine this. So all you need to do when you are starting, you are going to be seeing this over here. I'm going to be seeing this over here. So guys, when you see that, all you need to do is you need to click on the 100%, which is over here. You're going to be clicking on 100% so that you'll be mining fully. And when you click on 100%, your miner is going to start mining for you automatically. Yes, it's going to be mining for you automatically till you reach your minimum threshold for withdrawal. So guys, this is how you can start mining on this platform. And to withdraw on this, all you need to do is you click on the three lines in the top left corner of your screen, which is over here. And when you click the three line, all you need to do is to click on withdrawal. And when you click on withdrawal, guys, as you can see here, how to withdraw funds, you need to choose your cryptocurrency, click withdraw button, enter the exact amount and your wallet, then confirm withdrawal. So when you scroll up, you are going to be seeing it's over here. As you can see, withdraw. So when you click on withdraw, guys, it's going to be showing you this. So all you need to do is to input the amount in which you have your balance. As you can see here, When you input the amount in which you want to withdraw here, I should be doing 0.002, which I have currently in my balance. Then you input your address in which you want to send your BNB, your Trustwallet address. So after that is done, you click on the withdrawal button. So when you click on the withdrawal button, as you can see here, it's going to be showing us this minimal amount for withdrawal. To withdraw this is 0.03. As you can see over here, 0.03 is the minimum withdrawal to withdraw this BNB. And so guys, if you've mined and you've gotten up to 0.03 BNB, you can withdraw it directly to your Trustwallet account. So guys, this is exactly how you can earn on this site without doing nothing. All you need to do is, when you've registered, then you leave your miner in the background and it's going to be mining for you even if you are offline. So guys, if you know you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell so whenever we upload nice content like this, you're going to be notified on that. And also join our Telegram channel, in which I'm going to be dropping the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.